Today we're going to talk about personal pronouns. Personal pronouns, or in Spanish, pronombres personales, are words that are used in a sentence to express who does the action. You're very familiar with these words in English. Let's take a look at them. The first one is I, as in I eat potatoes. You, he, she, and it. And now I'm going to draw a line between these personal pronouns and the ones that I'm going to list following, and I will explain the reason in a second. We have we, you, and they. The reason why I have separated these personal pronouns right here from these personal pronouns right here is because all the ones on the top, these ones right here, are singular. That means that when we use these personal pronouns, we are thinking about only one person doing the action. Now, these ones are plural. That means that when we are using these personal pronouns, we are thinking about more than one people doing the action. Now, a couple of things that I would like you to notice is that I have used a single line to place he, she, and it. Think about the verb, for example, to go. If we conjugate the verb, or if we use the verb to go with either he, she, or it, the form of the verb is going to be exactly the same. It would be he goes, she goes, or it goes. Since the verb is going to be exactly the same for all these three personal pronouns, I'm going to put them all in one line. The second thing that I wanted you to notice is the personal pronoun you. As you can see, you can either express singular or plural concepts. Let's see in a sentence, you eat potatoes. I am talking to a student, and I'm just observing that he is eating potatoes. I'm just stating the fact that only one person is eating the potatoes, you. However, if I am addressing a crowd and I am saying, you are the future of this nation. In this case, I am not thinking about a particular student, I'm talking about a group of students. So take into consideration that you can either express only one person or several people. Now let's see the equivalents in Spanish. I'm going to draw a line right here to separate our English pronouns from our Spanish pronouns. The equivalent to I in Spanish would be yo. Notice that I am not pronouncing yo, I'm pronouncing yo. The O is short and crisp. Now for you would be tú. Notice as well that I am placing an accent over the U. Now for he would be él. For she would be ella. And it doesn't have any equivalence in Spanish. So a sentence like, it is red, in Spanish would omit the personal pronouns it. We would just literally say, is red, without using the it. Now, the equivalent to we is nosotros. Nosotros is used when the group of people are including either all males or we have a mix of males and females. However, if we had a group of females only, we would use nosotras. For you plural, the equivalent in Spanish is going to be vosotros. And again, if we have a group of females only, it's going to be vosotras. The equivalent to they is going to be ellos. And again, if we have a group of only females, it would be ellas. I would like you to notice something special about the pronunciation of the word ellos. Most students at the very beginning tend to pronounce the double L in Spanish as ellos. However, notice my pronunciation, ellos. The sound is very similar to the word jelly in English. So if we have jelly, try to pronounce ellos. The sound is very similar. Jelly, ellos. And these are the personal pronouns. I would like you to keep a few ideas in your mind. First of all, if the personal pronoun is a plural personal pronoun, we might have to decide if it's only a group of males or a mixed group, or if it's a group of females in order to decide which personal pronoun in Spanish is going to be correct. The second idea that I would like you to remember is that it doesn't have any equivalence in Spanish. So whenever you are using it in English, you're just going to omit the personal pronoun completely in Spanish. And a couple of tips about the pronunciation. Remember, vowels are short and crisp. Yo, tú, ella. And I would like you to remember that tú and L will have an accent over the top. That's going to be all for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.